This is a walkthrough video of how to use or test our app in Studio AI Trialroom. So first you have to start by installing the app. You can see we are only requesting for the products scope access. Once you install it, you will be redirected to the onboarding page where you have to buy a pricing plan or you'll not be able to move forward. We also have a in-app uh, chat support, so you can directly reach out to us. Another important thing you have to do is enable the app embedding. So you can navigate it from the theme editor, or you can click this button and we will redirect you to this section, and you can just toggle it on and save it, and this will activate the try on button in your theme. So let's go to the pricing page and get a subscription. We are leaving the test subscription on for the review. So once you have subscribed to the app, you will be redirected to the dashboard. So these are the data that we have created in a previous installation, and until and unless Shopify requests the shop redact webhook, we will keep the analytics data. And you can see we have not used started using the this for the billing cycle. Now there is an active products page where you can see which of the your products have the try on button active. Right now we are only supporting products that have the apparels and accessories of the clothing category. So this is wrongly attributed. So you can see because we have attributed it because of testing purposes. But in case you have something that is a clothing but it is not categorized properly, you can just edit the product directly from here, and it will take you to the edit products page, right? In our apps products page, you can see that some of the products are available for try on and some of them are not. For example, these t-shirt is available. So if you come here, you will be able to see the try on button, which will open up and let you try on. But if you go to this product, you'll see that the button will check whether it's valid and it will disappear. And you can control this from this tab. For example, if you edit this product and you categorize it as electronics, for example, and you save it, you see that the try-on will not be available, and you can check it by going to that page and refreshing, and the button will disappear. So right now we are only availing the apparels and accessories category and the clothing subcategory under that category. So only if you go there and select apparels and accessories and clothing, and any of the subcategories of the clothing are available for try on, but the product has to belong to the apparel and accessories and clothing category. So for example, this is a clothing top. I'll save it, and this is back to active, and you reload this page, and the button will show up now. So this is the walkthrough of the admin dashboard. So before we go to the user flow, we will copy these stats for later comparisons, right? Now to check how the users will use it, we will just preview our current theme, right? And go to this. So once we click this button, this is our button. If the user has previously uploaded an image, it will show up here, or they can, if they have not, then it will show this model, and they can just upload a new image, right, like this. So we will just click the try on and wait for it. You see the try on was generated, and we can also generate it for another variant. So use another photo and try on. So all the Shopify themes that have this variant selector can use this to generate the try on for multiple variants. I have found one theme that does not have it. For that theme, it will just take the default variant. So it was generated, and if we share it and open in web, we'll just try to share it to a random person, but we will not actually do it. We are more interested in this link that will be shared, and by visiting this link, the person it was shared with will be able to see the try on result, like this. You can see it is pretty realistic, and when we click this button, we will be redirected to the product page, and with the actual variant selected. So this is the whole user flow. So there are certain things we are tracking. For example, go back to this page and try on again, and click the add to cart button. it will cart the item, and if you just click it from this modal, it will be reflected in the analytics dashboard that the item was added to cart. And anytime you use one of these share buttons, it will be counted as a share. And anytime you visit the product uh, page by clicking this button, it will be counted as a traffic count. So that's why I mean we recorded this so that we can compare it later. Now coming back to the app dashboard, you can see that the total used count was 25 before, now it is 28. It was added to cart once after taking this analytics. As you saw, total traffic was 5. I visited the product page twice, and it was shared once using the Telegram link. So everything has gone up. So, and this is our analytics dashboard where you can see how the time series data performs, and you can toggle it between last month and last year. So that's how it works for the merchant. And these are all the functionalities we have in the app. So we'll be waiting for your review, and I hope you like the app.